It started as just another match. Late at night, lights off, headphones on, trying to forget the real world for a while. Dead by Daylight had always been loud, chaotic, predictable in its own terrifying way. This time, it wasn't. The lobby loaded slowly, like the game itself was thinking. The survivor portraits appeared one by one, and then I saw the killer's name. It was my name. Same. Spelling. Same capital letters. Same numbers I use everywhere. I laughed at first, thinking it was someone trying to be funny, but something about it felt wrong. Not like a coincidence, more like a mirror. Held too close to my face, the match began. The map was darker than usual. Not nighttime wrong. The fog felt thick, heavy, like it was watching instead of drifting. No one else moved. The other survivors just stood there, facing walls, like broken puppets, with their strings cut. When I tried to type in chat, nothing appeared. Not even silence. Just nothing. Then I heard it, a chainsaw. Not revving, not attacking. Cuss breathing. Like whoever held it wasn't hunting yet. He was enjoying the moment before the hunt starts. I hid behind a rock and waited for the heartbeat to begin, but it never did. No terror radius. No warning. No warning. He didn't walk into my field of view. He appeared in it. The killer stood a few meters in front of me, body completely still, head slightly tilted like he was trying to understand me. He didn't swing. He didn't move. He just once. Then my character turned on his own. Not because I touched the mouse, because something else did. The camera rotated until it was no longer looking at the killer. It was looking directly at my screen. Text appeared in the center. I know you. The chainsaw roared. Not loud, not sudden, slow and satisfied. The other survivors vanished. One by one, the map darkened. The fog swallowed everything but me and him. They began to walk. Not rushing, not lunging, just calmly closing the distance. The game froze. Everything stopped but the chainsaw. A final message appeared. This is not just a game for me. The screen went black, and in the reflection of the monitor, just for a moment, I thought I saw someone behind me, tilting their head the same way.